Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, November 3rd. I've only said this a million times today. Anyway, it is 9:20 in the morning, and I decided to vlog a workday. I have a bunch of editing to do. I have some knitting I want to do, and might film a Can I Knit a Sock in a Day vlog, but don't know when that's coming out because it is a Christmas gift. So whatever you see of that in today's episode, vlog, whatever, will be a different color. Then will be edited to a different color so that you don't see the actual colors. So I'm editing episode 44, which was filmed yesterday and mostly edited and last night. So I've got to add some text here and there. It's a really long episode. I managed to cut it down to less than an hour, which is fantastic. There was a lot of rambling. So it's going to take me a while to finish editing. And it's fairly simple with editing. So that's good. I don't have to add music or anything like that. It's simple. So yeah, I'm going to get that done. And we'll check in periodically throughout the day. We'll see what else I do. I'm hoping to do some spinning and work on the super secret Christmas project. I finished the first bobbin yesterday after filming episode 44. So I'm halfway done with it, and I need to get the other half done. I don't know what else I'll do today. We'll see. We'll just see what happens. Okay, it's been an hour. I'm almost done editing. The video is an hour long, so it's just taking forever to get it edited. And I have some progress on the sock, which is great. Over halfway done with the cuff. Sorry. It's I just need a few more rows. It's supposed to be 30. I haven't counted yet, so I will. But it's time to fix breakfast. My stomach is rumbling. I want some oatmeal. The man wants some oatmeal. So I'm going to go fix oatmeal and then finish editing. And by the time I'm done with the editing, the oatmeal will be ready to eat. Yay. No more growly, annoying stomach. So it's 11:20, so it's been 2 hours, and I finished editing the big video, and I'm about done editing one of the Advent videos, so super duper excited to be getting some progress on all these videos, and looking forward to getting some files off my phone. I just went out and tried to check the mail. I'm expecting a new purse. I walked between cars and it was like, gads, definitely need to go through the car wash a few more times. Skunk smell is still on my tire. It's a lot better since I went through the car wash, but skunk guts on your tire is not pleasant. Let's just say that. So yeah, I am knitting away on the leg of the sock. So I'm really excited to be getting some good progress. It's going slow because I'm editing, but I mean, like, it's only 11:20. I got plenty of time. I got plenty of time. So, thought I heard the mailman come. Apparently I didn't. I will check again and see if the package is still out for delivery. I know it's Sunday. It's weird, but they do deliver things on Sundays, which I think is terrible. I would happily wait until Monday. I'm using a project bag as a purse, so it's not that big a deal. You know, when somebody's getting farsighted, knitting this close to their face is very difficult. I feel like I'm going cross-eyed. I'm not that farsighted. I'm just no longer nearsighted. Anyway, I'm going to quit rambling. I'm going to get back to work and see how much I can get done in the next hour. So I have folded and put away some of the laundry, a good bit of it, and I've knit half the sock, and I've edited videos and played a game of Skippo with my son, did some exercises. It is now 2:30ish, and I am going to watch Harry Potter. I'm on the fifth movie. So I'm going to watch that or fall asleep, one of the two. So, be back when I have a little more energy. Okay, it is almost 7:15. It's 7:10 p.m. I'm exhausted. I got the sock finished completely. Yay! I did all the editing I had to do. I found another vlog on my phone that I had started filming and never finished. So I'm gonna have to film a wrap up on that, and then I have another video to edit on top of this one and the Can I Knit a Sock in a Day video. So I now have 3 videos to edit, which is fine. Filming 2 videos in one day was a little crazy, but we did it. It was fun. We had my son took out the trash, and when he came back, a little gray tabby kitten followed him back to the house, and so we got to spend a little bit of time petting the kitten and enjoying that. She was very, very friendly. As long as we were not standing up, we had to be sitting on the ground, and she was all over us. Standing up, she wanted nothing to do with us. She was going to run away. It was fun. We can't have pets where we live, so it's nice when the strays are friendly. Supper was delicious. I don't like chili most of the time, but I've learned that I like the flavor of black-eyed peas and that family of peas. I really like the flavor of those in chili, and it makes a huge difference. And then I put curry and, well, you saw everything I put in it. I don't measure anything, I just throw it in there. What else did I do? Oh yeah, my new purse arrived. It's a fanny pack. My old one was a fanny pack. This one doesn't have as much room in it. The other one was a camping one. I got it from the camping department at Walmart years ago, like 4 or 5 years ago. It needed to be replaced desperately. Getting saturated in nasty skunk smell was the excuse I needed to replace it. And I like the gray of the other one, but I was going to bring it in here and show it to you. You've already seen it in the vlog. I filled it up with all my stuff, and I'm very, very happy. So it's a very nice little fanny pack. And at this point, I'm rambling because I'm too tired to know what the heck I'm trying to say. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this Sunday vlog. It was fun to film. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and leaving a comment. And if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. And I think that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. I am going to bed. I know it's early, but my body says it's bedtime, so I'm going to bed. Good night, everybody.